Thank you so much.
You were in the Canva thing this morning?
I was in the Canva thing this morning. Yes, you will always recognize me by my orange pants. So, hello everyone. My name is Eric. Come closer if you can't hear me. Awesome. So, my name is Eric. I'm the founder of Curipod. And I'm going to take you through kind of a really easy way of what Curipod is. So, how many of you have heard about AI? Probably everyone, right? So the idea of Curipod is to make an interactive lesson about any topic in the world with AI. So do you know Nearpod or PeerDeck? Nearpod or PeerDeck, do you know them? So it's interactive lessons tools. So I can go here and I can press Create Lesson. And then I can make a lesson. I'll go Generate Slides. Does anyone have a topic I can try it out with?
Sight words.
What do you say?
Sight words.
Sight words.
Yeah. Kindergarten now.
Oh, let's do first to 30th.
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. Oh, that's cool.
Maybe that's what you're
So then I solve your problem. What grade level?
Middle school, 6th grade.
6th grade. And then I'll press Do Magic. So what's happening now is that the AI starts creating a lesson on biodiversity. So we'll wait while the AI does its magic. And here is our lesson. Fast, right?
Huh?
So this is now a full interactive lesson. First, what do I mean with interactive? I mean that when I go present, I can have my students join in with a pin code. So now everyone can join and do the activities.
Is your microphone work?
Unfortunately not, it's only covering, they recording it. So I can go out here. And now I can keep editing it, right? So you can of course edit all the text, all the images. But what's really neat is that you can now go and start building more content. So let's say I want a fun start to my biodiversity lesson. I'll go here. I want a Would You Rather activity.
No, that's okay.
Biodiversity. Do magic. Let's see what it creates. And here I get some options. I like this one. So there's my Would You Rather activity. So you can go inside our generators here and you can create stuff about anything in the world. I really recommend checking out for ELA. I really recommend checking out this one. You can upload any text you've had your students reading. So any text you've been reading with your students, and it makes compare and contrast activities about them. I'm going to show you one last thing, and this is my probably favorite. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to add a blank slide. It's going to be a personalized feedback lesson. So, write an argument. Oh, thank you. It's oh, it's good you're watchful. Okay, write an argument for going to ISTE. So I'm going to do this a writing exercise. And the topic should be it's typing here. So now we're good to go. And I'm going to go present. And I want you all to join in here. So pick up your phones and join in. So first of all, you notice here that it gives you all randomized nicknames. This is to make it safe for the students to participate. Nice. And if you're not joined yet, you can always join from that pin code there. And now I'm starting it. And you'll have 1 minute to write an argument why people should go to ISTE. Yeah. And now, so what I can do now is that I can open the teacher moderation panel. I can look through all of your questions, the answers, and I can press generate feedback.
I know.
And now the AI generates feedback for everyone. And now I need some help from the BenQ people. This is the AI creating feedback. Could some of you help me get back to the other page? So it opened another page. Could some of you help me get back to the other page?
Oh.
How does it?
Do you know how to get back to the other page?
So it just opened another tab.
Hang on one
So
second.
if I want to switch between tabs, basically.
Did you try that one?
No.
Oh.
Oh, here it is, maybe.
Is it on there?
Let's try. Okay, no, it's a different tab in this browser.
In the same browser?
Do you know, can I switch tab in the browsers? I opened a different tab in the browser. Can I switch back to the previous one? So basically, let's try back. Nice! So now I can press give feedback. And it sends out feedback to you all.
Way down.
Got your feedback.
Yes!
Yeah.
So the really neat thing about this feature the really neat thing about this feature is that you can set it up to give feedback on whatever you want. So if you write explain Newton's first law and then set it to comprehension and use an example of how Newton's first law uses, that's what it's correcting. If you write a sentence in Spanish and set it to using your verb conjugations correctly, that's what it's correcting. So you can use it to give AI feedback in a second to any open question. And the idea of it is basically, we use multiple choice questions because we can give students instant feedback. That's the main reasons why we use multiple choice. With this, you can use open-ended discussion questions and still be able to give instant feedback to any student. So that's the idea of it. Otherwise, it's just play around with it. There's a lot of AI fun in it. Come find us at our booth later on. It's been a real pleasure talking to you all.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Where it said structure argument, could you say something like,